Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is give you a Cardano price prediction update. So much has happened from the time where I did a price prediction video, and I want to get into where I think we could be heading in the future. So we are going to assume that we are going to see a bull run between, 4 to 5 months into 2025, maybe summer 2025. So when I'm talking about a price prediction, it's for summer of 2025, assuming we're still in the bull run, okay? So nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a moose. So let's dive into it. Bitcoin is pumping, 92,800 USD. Looks like ETH is doing all right, but Solana is crushing. I also did a Solana price prediction that will be out here shortly. But we're going to talk about Cardano, right? So what has happened with Cardano? Well, ultimately, Cardano has begun to pump, specifically regarding the news that Charles Hoskinson will be a crypto advisor for the Trump administration. This is a big deal. This is a massive deal for all of crypto, because right now there are not clear guidelines as to what you can and cannot do and build using crypto in the United States. Okay, so Moose, as a Canadian that lives in the outdoors, so the Moose lives in a cave, if you guys didn't know or wasn't aware. That's where my family is. I have 8 kids. I forget their names, but I do remember all my crypto tokens, so that's more important. But guys, on a serious note, with Cardano, there is so much that has been building. Smart contracts this bull run, okay? That wasn't around last time. You did not have DEX aggregators. You also have a partner chain in Midnight. You got Charles, who's a crypto advisor, right? You got Crypto Moose, who might be the advisor. I was going to be the advisor for Kamala, but she couldn't pull it off. So, I was going to do it. I was going to do it too. So, guys, comment on a scale of 1 to 10. How good of a crypto advisor would the Moose have gone? I probably would have had. I would definitely have some scandals in the Oval Office. But anyways, we got to stick to the video. So with Cardano, okay, we've got 73 cents on our hands. We're Tuesday, November 19th, 2024. We got a little tick up in the price, not a lot. For those of you that believe that Cardano will not get back to previous all-time highs, I think you're wrong. I think you're massively wrong. Cardano has, year by year, emphasized, in my opinion, that it's just one of the better chains, right? Solana is the meme chain right now because it's just faster and cheaper. I'll give it that. But the network kind of goes down. Ethereum was first. Right? Ethereum has the most decentralized applications built on top of it. It's massive. Cardano has a lot of scalability potential. Okay. And when we talk about scalability, we are talking about a chain that you can build robust applications for the next 10 to 30 years, right? Maybe even longer. I don't know. But when you think about the future of humanity and crypto, we've already talked about it, but Bitcoin is going to be potentially utilizing Cardano and the smart contract capability. So you're going to see a lot happening with UTXOs, etc. I'm more excited about just what you can do in general with Cardano this time around. So in terms of market cap, guys, we've been talking about it, and I will reiterate it again. Bitcoin has pumped. It's ballooned. It's kind of going sideways. It's up a little bit today, but it's basically breaking out. It broke out of this pattern, which is pretty sexy, if I must say. So Bitcoin is consolidating. Alts pump, like I guess you would call it like the high cap alts. So that would be your layer ones, and we're gonna see Cardano do really well. I just don't see a world where Bitcoin goes up, Ethereum goes up, Solana goes up, and Cardano doesn't. Are you kidding me? Especially with all the news that I just talked about. So guys, comment down below. What do you think? So what is the price prediction? What is the Moose's price prediction? Assuming we get past 100K Bitcoin, okay? I believe Cardano is going to go to $4 to $5 probably by January. I know it sounds crazy. But assuming we're going in the direction that we're going, I think Cardano's going to surpass. Yeah, it'll probably get to, at least $3. I think it's going to get at least $3 by January of 2025, which is in a couple months. So that's what I think. Ultimately, Cardano could get to $9. I really believe that. So for $9 Cardano, I believe the market cap would have to be, between 500 bill in a trillion. It doesn't surprise me. I think Cardano, give it time, but it will eventually get to the $1 trillion market caps. That's what I believe. Assuming technology stays the same, assuming we see progress in what's happening with Charles being a prominent figure in the White House and just around the world, right? I see a lot of potential for voting and privacy with midnight, etc. So guys, comment down below. What do you think ADA's price point will be summer of 2025? I'm thinking it could get to $9. So that's pretty sweet. So guys, head over to Linktree. If you do not have a Tangem, use code Moose. Click on this link. Okay, you can save 10% off a Tangem. You have a card, which I like, and you also have the Ring. So the Ring is right now my favorite device. Honestly, after I got a lot of change here. See, I'm scraping pennies just to get more stuff, more crypto. The AirPods are really good, but I would argue that the Tangem Ring is just as much going to fulfill my EDC, my everyday carry. So I really like this product. Guys, I have an incredible admiration for Tangem and what they're doing, because I can save you guys 10% off a product that I use every day, that I like, and that will help you. On top of that, guys, we do have online courses. Check out Raw Dog Pumps. It's a new meme coin on Solana. I think it could do well. Not financial advice. Invest at your own risk. You're listening to a Moose. And that's about it, guys. If you want the Moose to get loose, comment down below. Cheers.